Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up OpenCode with 1 billion tokens every day. And there is a website API LLM gateway which provides you with this 1 billion tokens every day. The name of the website is TokenRouter. It provides you with a free API key. Simply log in, and there is actually a offer going on for the Qwen 3.8 Max model. So once you log in right here, you go to the model section. So the model that we are talking about in this video is Qwen 3.8 Max Free. So at this moment of time, it's recently released. So the Token Router website is offering it for totally free. As you can see, input price is zero, output price is zero. So I will show you how to actually configure this. So first of all, you need to create the API key. So for creating the API key, you need to just the base URL will be this one, and to get the API key you simply click get API key. So once you go to this, you click on create key, just give it a name and click on submit. So your API key will be created, and for this I am assuming that you have installed OpenCode inside your machine. So for configuring the API key, we need to create a file called as opencode.json. So right inside the directory wherever you will be developing the project, simply create this configuration file opencode.json, and I have given this code in the description of the video. Simply paste this JSON code, and this is just a config file where we list out the model LLM router, which is token router. It's OpenAI compatible. Here we paste the base URL, as you can see that, and right here you need to get this API key. So just from the dashboard, once you log in, you basically copy this API key and simply paste it. So that's all that you need to do. Simply paste this API key. All the code I've given in the description of the video. And as you can see, we are using Qwen 3.8 Max model right here, which is totally free. And it provides you with 1 billion tokens. And after making this change, just restart the terminal and directly open OpenCode. And this AI coding agent will launch right here. And with the help of this LLM gateway, it provides you 1 billion tokens. So after you do this, the interface will launch right here. So right here we simply select slash models to select the model, and in the search bar you simply type token router. So as you can see, Qwen 3.8 Max, it is coming through token router. Simply select this, and now let me ask a message. Hi. You will see that now it will respond to us. Hi, what can I help you with? So it is successfully responding to us. It gives you 1 billion tokens, which is totally free and unlimited. Now let me just build out a complete PDF editor with all options. So I will say create a 1500 line advanced app and create a index.html file. So I simply convey this message. I need a complete PDF editor with 1500 lines of code and create an index.html file. So as you see, it's very fast. It's actually detecting no files are present. So it will create this index.html file, and it's actually generating all the features will what this application will be. So it's really fast. As you see, it is responding to us. It is consuming those tokens. So this is your context window right here shown. So it's provide you with 1 billion tokens. This is the advantage of this website tokenrouter.com. So after generating the description, it will start preparing the application. It will have all the features, production ready application will it. And once it completes, you will get the notification and your file will be ready. So I have tried this for almost 6 weeks now, and I am totally using it for free. So you can see unlimited quota is remaining. So it provides you with 1 billion tokens. So you simply create the API key. It's very easy to configure, and simply create this file opencode.json and simply paste the code that I have given in the description of the video, and you just need to paste the API key that you will get from tokenrouter.com. That's all that you need to do. This is the full configuration, and as you see now, it is creating this application, and once it completes, so everything is as actually generated, so it's doing step by step. So that's why I'm just creating a fully fleshed 1500 lines of code application, just to show you that it does work with the complex applications. So you simply type the prompt and the rest of the things this token router Qwen 3.8 Max will do. This model is recently released by Qwen, so that's why they are offering this free window. So this will only be there for 6-7 days, so definitely don't waste any time. Simply create an account of tokenrouter.com and get your free API key. So these offers actually expire also once the model is old, so that's why you don't need to waste time. So as you can see, it is building the application. So once it completes, you will get the notification. So everything, as you see, the description is generated, how it will be generating the application. So basically, I told it to make a 1500 lines of code application, so that's why it is taking longer time to create the application. So specifically in the prompt I written, I need a complete application PDF editor. So it should be 1500 lines of code. So that's why it is taking time to create the application. So the configuration is quite the same right here. You paste this JSON code and then simply replace this API key. So now as you see, it is writing the files index.html. If I try to open this file, so once it completes, guys, you will see the full file. It's still creating it. So this is the actual full process configuration setup to actually use this model for totally free using token router. So definitely check this out. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.